Hello everyone. I built a compound interest calculator that shows you everything, not just a final number. Let me show you how it works, and then I'll show you how to get it for yourself. No special software required. It runs in a browser. 3 columns, inputs on the left, results in the middle, and a chart on the right. 10,000 initial at 7%, putting in 200 a month. After 20 years, you've got about 143,000. Push it to 40 years and you're well past 600,000. At the same rate and the same contributions, that's the power of compounding. The blue is everything you put in. The green is what your money earned. Once the green takes over, your money's working harder than you are. Okay, maybe not. This is the crossover point, year 16. Your interest earns exceeds your total contributions. That's the inflection point where the compounding really takes over. You can also toggle the compounding frequency. This is yearly, monthly, and daily. At higher rates over longer periods, the difference in that really adds up. When you've got a scenario you want to share, one click exports a clean PDF, inputs, results, and the chart. No Excel, no screenshots. You can download the file from the link below. Open Notepad or any text editor, paste in the code, save it as a .html file, not a .txt file, then right-click and run it in any browser. Thanks for watching and have a great day.